Deep cleaning carpets just became a whole lot easier. Feeling just like a regular vacuum cleaner, the Dirtmaster Pro Carpet Washer comes with the added bonus of a powerful deep clean, eliminating not only the toughest of stains and pet odors, but also killing harmful bacteria that can't be removed by vacuuming alone. Simply fill the large cleaning tank with water, add the cleaning solution, and let the automatic mixer do the rest. Activating the trigger release dispenses just the right amount of solution when needed, giving you total control of your clean. With a slow push forward, the solution is pumped into the carpet. Whilst pulling back, the vibrating bristle bar agitates the dirt and debris, pulling it into its separate dirty water tank, leaving carpets fresh and invigorated. Emptying the dirty water and removing the bristle bar is easy and allows excess dirt and bacteria to be washed away. Not only does the carpet cleaner refresh carpets and short-haired rugs, its handheld brush attachment is ideal to suck up spillages, clean stairs and upholstery, and with the 7-meter power cord, you have the flexibility to clean anywhere. Freshen and invigorate your carpet with the Swan Dirtmaster Pro Carpet Washer, the easy way to keep bacteria at bay.